we'll guide you through how to add text in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To add text in Blender, begin by opening Blender on your computer and either start a new project or open an existing file that you want to edit. Once the workspace is ready, remove the default cube by pressing X on your keyboard and then confirming the action by tapping Delete if you do not need the object in your scene. After clearing the workspace, move your mouse cursor to the 3D viewport area so that your actions are focused on the main scene. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Then hover over the text option within the list and click on Text to insert a new text object into the scene. You will see the default text, usually the word text, appear in the viewport. Make sure the text object is selected. If it is not, simply click on it. Press Tab to enter edit mode, which allows you to modify the text content directly. Delete the existing text using the Backspace key, then type your desired text using your keyboard. When you are finished editing, press Tab again to return to object mode. Now, go to the right side of the interface and locate the Properties panel. Click on the Object Data Properties tab, which is marked with a font icon. In this section, scroll down to the font area where you can change the font style if needed by loading a different font file. Finally, adjust the position and appearance of your text in the scene by using the shortcut keys. Press R to rotate the text, G to move it around the viewport, and S to scale it to your preferred size. Take a moment to refine the placement by dragging the text into a clear view and ensuring it aligns well with your scene composition. You can also adjust the scale multiple times until the proportions look balanced relative to other objects. If necessary, rotate the text from different angles to achieve a more dynamic presentation. Keep checking your work from various viewpoints in the viewport to confirm readability and positioning. Once satisfied, save your project to preserve the changes and continue building your scene with the newly added text element as part of your design for better overall visual clarity.